Hello learners, a very good news for Maharashtra civil engineering students. MES Maharashtra Engineering Services, previously MPSC. For civil students, mains examination syllabus is out today. Already prelims syllabus you know, and you are on the way to prepare for prelims till notification not yet come. Today mains examination syllabus is released. Before going to discuss about mains examination, I have a very good news for all of you. From the internal resources I came to know, MPSC सिविल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक नोटिफिकेशन फरवरी महीने में मिल जाएगा एंड आपका प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन जुलाई में हो जाएगा, मेंस एग्जामिनेशन नवंबर तक चल जाएगा. दिस इज अप्रॉक्सीमेट इंफॉर्मेशन, अंदाज से मिल गए हमको इंटरनल रिसोर्सेस से. सो आप तैयार करो एमपीएससी मेंस एंड प्रीलिम्स साथ साथ, पैरेलली चलना पड़ेगा. सो पहले आपको मेंस एग्जाम में क्या क्या चीज है आपको मालूम था. प्रीलिम्स सिलेबस अभी ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो गया, आपको मालूम था सिलेबस का बारे में, प्रीलिम्स का बारे में, नॉन टेक सिलेबस, और मेंस में पूरा टेक्निकल सिलेबस आ रहा है. आज आ रहा है वो देखो एक बार. 200 मार्क्स के लिए पेपर 1 और 200 मार्क्स के लिए पेपर 2 इंग्लिश माध्यम में लिखना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू राइट इन इंग्लिश ओनली, नॉट इन मराठी. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, यू हैव टू राइट इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ओनली, नॉट इन मराठी. एंड टेक्निकल सिलेबस, प्योर टेक्निकल सिलेबस, 2 पेपर्स, civil engineering paper 1, civil engineering paper 2. So we will check what are there in civil engineering paper 1. So I have seen the paper syllabus. Paper 1 is completely related to structures design part, including geotechnical engineering. Paper 2 is related to water along with transportation and survey. So clear bifurcation. पेपर 1 में स्ट्रक्चरल पार्ट, डिजाइन पार्ट आ रहा है विथ जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग. पेपर 2 में ऑल वाटर रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं अलॉन्ग विथ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड सर्वे. देखो, सो दिस इज ए डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर, मालूम था ना आपको. सो ए डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर में स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल, बेसिक सिलेबस, स्ट्रेसेस, स्ट्रेन्स, प्रिंसिपल स्ट्रेसेस, बेंडिंग मोमेंट. बट बड़ा वाला क्वेश्चन डिस्क्रिप्टिव मोड में आप सीखना पड़ेगा. So you have to write like your college exam, BTech exam. So paper 1 section A में strength of material, theory of structures, we know this actually. These are there in GATE syllabus, ESC syllabus, previous prelims, MPSC previous prelims में भी ये syllabus था. But नया वाला आ रहा है देखो, exclusive civil engineering students के लिए, computer aided analysis and design of structures, CAA and CAD. So CA and CAD, this is the new syllabus which is included for the first time. So finding area by Simpson rule, trapezoidal rule, we'll study this basically actually. But here you need to apply application of computer program to structures, very clearly given. Finding root of an equation by Newton-Raphson technique, bisection method, by computer application. This is completely new Gauss elimination, Gauss-Jordan iteration method. So they are making the paper a bit tough. So new terminology, new words and new topics and computer programming. Those are very important for section A. So section A में basic strength of material, theory of structures. Along with that computer aided analysis and design of structures. Section B may be structural analysis. What is difference between theory of structure, structural analysis? Theory of structure में beams, frames, trusses, slope deflection, moment distribution. Structural analysis में arches, influence line, suspension cable, stiffness, flexibility matrix method. So they divided 2 parts, theory of structures 1 and theory of structure 2. Theory of structure 1 में basic दे रहे, structural analysis in the form of theory of structure 2 they are giving advanced topics and analysis topics, pura completely analysis topics. Then steel structures, steel as usual regular syllabus only, you focus more on plastic analysis. Construction planning and management, I hope previously construction planning, management, equipment is there. We will check it out. Functions of management, elements of material management, safety engineering, network analysis. Array equipment also included re baba. Equipment, site layout, quality control, agreement, PPP, the in-depth concepts of construction planning and management. Section C, design of reinforced concrete structure, DRCS, working stress method, limit state method. For slab, beams, columns, footing, retaining wall, water tank, building frame, staircases. So, bridge engineering. Section C में bridge engineering. RCC part 1, part 2 and bridge engineering section C. Section D, concrete technology, pre-stressed and there included geotechnical. Concrete technology, you know, regularly mixed design concepts, tests on concrete, types of concrete, properties of concrete, everything related to concrete mixed design, pre-stressed concrete, and included important topics, not total given in geotechnical, only important topics of geotechnical engineering. So please do focus here. 4 sections are there in paper 1. Civil engineering paper 1 में 4 sections are there. First section में strength of material, structural analysis part 1 and design based on computer programming. Section 2 में section B, structural analysis part 2, steel structures and construction planning and management. बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन किया सिलेबस. सेक्शन सी में आरसीसी पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 ब्रिज इंजीनियरिंग. सेक्शन डी concrete mixed design, pre-stressed and geotechnical. So total 200 marks. We are expecting, they have not at all revealed anything. We are expecting हर एक section को 50 marks मिलेगा. Means you are not at all going to leave any section. All sections are going to be equally important. हर एक section को 50 marks. Maybe internal choice they will give. Regarding paper pattern अभी तक कोई information नहीं था. बाद में notification आने के बाद में आएगा regarding paper pattern. Now, civil engineering paper 2 शुरू करके सर्वेइंग दे रहे सेक्शन ए में. सर्वेइंग कंप्लीट गेट सिलेबस, इंजीनियरिंग मटेरियल. So what is given in engineering material? Already we studied concrete there. Same concrete, water cement ratio, aggregate cement ratio, mixed design, same in whatever studied in the paper 1. Design of farm work, again they have given components here. Farm work, types of farm work, bitumen, asphalt, emulsion, cutback, whatever we study generally. Construction material last topics are there. That last topics, अरे last में दे रहे देखो, building material, stone, bricks, cement, lime. So it is a full pack of building material, engineering material, which include concrete mixed design, very huge package. Building planning and construction, this is the toughest section. You have a lot of theory over here. Surveying, mostly we have good theory. Engineering material, again building planning and construction. So water supply, sanitation, vertical transportation, ventilation, lighting, acoustics, fire protection. So everything is related to a new for those students who are not at all prepared. Complete syllabus in BTech. बीटेक कंप्लीट सिलेबस अच्छे से पढ़ने वाले को आसान हो जाएगा. बट ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक जियोटेक, एनवायरमेंटल, स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग होने के बाद ये आसान नहीं हो जाएगा, मुश्किल हो जाएगा. बहुत ज्यादा सिलेबस दे रहे हो. सो सेक्शन ए में सर्वेइंग हो जाएगा, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल 50% हो जाएगा, रिमाइनिंग 50% यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. सेक्शन बी एज यूजुअल, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स एज इट इज गेट सिलेबस. Fluid machines. Fluid machines is nothing but hydraulic machinery, turbines, pumps, powerhouse, classification, power plant. Then section B में irrigation include हो गया. Water requirements of crops. So complete syllabus as like previous, as well as prelims model, previous prelims model, as well as gate syllabus. Highway engineering section C, completely highway. Tunnel means it is included transportation, total part of highway and tunnel, along with estimation, costing and valuation. So हर एक सेक्शन में कोई नया पार्ट ऐड हो रहा है आपको थोड़ा सा मुश्किल देने के लिए. So मिक्सअप हो जाएगा ना. You know highway, you can do it. Tunnel estimation, costing and valuation, a new part. But in this easy, section B is easy. सेक्शन ए में बिल्डिंग प्लानिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन समवॉट डिफिकल्ट लगेगा आपको. सेक्शन सी में हाईवे ओके, टनल दैट इज समथिंग न्यू. इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी इन डेप्थ दैट विल बिकम ए डिफिकल्ट टास्क फॉर यू. सेक्शन डी इंजीनियरिंग हाइड्रोलॉजी एज यूजुअल, सेम सिलेबस, रेगुलर गेट सिलेबस, कंप्लीट एनवायरमेंटल. सो आई होप दिस इज द बेस्ट. सेक्शन डी फुल टू फुल मार्क्स मिल जाएगा बिकॉज एवरीवेयर यू स्टडी ओनली दीज टॉपिक्स. Total 50 marks for hydrology and environmental. Then 50 marks for highway, tunnel estimation, costing. 50 for FM, HM, irrigation. 50 for surveying, material, building, planning, construction. So ये syllabus पूरा खत्म करने के लिए आप अभी शुरू होना चाहिए. ये बात अच्छे से सुनो. MPSC मेंस एंड प्रीलिम्स एक साथ प्रिपरेशन होना चाहिए. Because expecting prelims to be happened in July, mains to be happened in November. This much lengthy syllabus, you can't crack it, you can't finish it when you start after prelims. So साथ में चलना चाहिए. And very importantly, so many new topics and new subjects are included here. So take a full-length subscription from Unacademy, where we cover most of the syllabus, 75 to 80%. Like we can't cover this one. Even you take anywhere coaching, computer aided analysis, design, kabhi bhi nahi ho jayega. But remaining parts mostly we cover in Unacademy. Most of the full length course mein all the syllabus cover ho jayega aapko. So the best syllabus, best content aapko mil jayega. And our educators always, you know, महाराष्ट्र स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज्यादा मालूम था केपी सर का बारे में. मेरा प्यारी महाराष्ट्र वासियों, आई एम ऑलवेज विथ यू टू क्रैक योर ड्रीम्स ऑफ एमपीएससी. सो गाइस, पुल अप योर सॉक्स, बी ऑन योर टोस, ready to crack MPSC with top rank along with the guidance of your KP sir. Let's crack it, guys.